In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Booklet in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or the web version as long as you have your PDF ready. Once Acrobat is open, load the document you want to turn into a booklet. If you've worked on it recently, you can choose it from the recent files area. Otherwise, open it from your files so it's visible in the main viewer. Now look to the upper left corner of the screen and click the main menu. This is where you'll find printing options. From there, select Print to open the Print dialog. This window controls everything about how your pages will be arranged and sent to the printer. If you have multiple printers, make sure the correct one is selected at the top. It's also a good moment to confirm your paper size, such as letter or A4, so it matches what's in your printer tray. In the page sizing and handling section, choose Booklet. This is the feature that automatically rearranges your pages into spreads, placing 2 pages per side so that when folded, the pages appear in the correct order like a real booklet. You'll see a live preview on the right that updates as you change settings. Next, fine-tune the booklet settings. Use the booklet subset to decide whether to print both sides, just the front sides, or just the back sides. If your printer supports automatic duplex printing, select both sides. If not, you can print the front sides first and then reinsert the pages to print the backs. Acrobat's subset setting helps guide that process. Choose the binding option that matches how you'll fold the booklet, left for most English documents, or right if your reading order is reversed. Check scaling or fit options to ensure content isn't clipped at the edges, and confirm orientation so the pages aren't upside down. If your printer driver offers a duplex setting like flip on short edge, that's typically the right choice for booklets. Take a moment to review the preview thumbnails. Make sure page order, margins, and rotation look correct. If your document is long, you can specify a page range, but leave it on all for a complete booklet. When everything looks good, click Print. If this is your first time printing a booklet on this printer, consider starting with a single copy to verify alignment before running the full batch. That's it. Your PDF will print in the proper sequence so you can fold it down the middle to create a clean, professional-looking booklet.